Hey YouTube, today I want to do a video on the Kinder Joy chocolates. First time I tried them was in Ecuador. Now they got them over here in US. It's a sweet cream topped with cocoa waffle bites, and you also get the toy. Comes in a little egg. Awesome. Let's open it up. Has a little tab. Peel open the tab, and the egg get cut into two, as you can see. One side is a surprise, and the other side is your chocolate. So you also get a little spoon. So on the surprise size, as you can see, it comes with a little toy. See what to do. Your points. Comes with a little toy. Pretty cool. Play with it. Absolutely amazing. And now you get your chocolate size. You peel it open, and as you can see, it comes with two little waffle eggs, and it comes with a cream, and it tastes a bit like Ferrero's, the chocolates. You can see it comes with like chocolate cream and white cream, and then it comes with two little eggs. Delicious. And as you see, this is the little egg. Excellent. Costs about almost $2, but it is amazing. Just wanted to let you guys know. Like and subscribe. Thank you.